Hi, this is Miss K. In today's video, I'll show you how to find your liked posts on Instagram using your Android device. To get started, open the Instagram app and sign in to your account if you haven't already. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner, then tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. Select your activity, then tap Likes. Here, you'll see a list of posts you've liked on Instagram. You can scroll through your liked posts, tap any post to view it again, or use the available filters to sort posts by date if your app supports that feature. If you want to remove a like, simply open the post and tap the heart icon again. The post will automatically be removed from your liked posts list. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to find your liked posts on Instagram. Happy watching! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.